Understanding UCP 600, a trade finance explanation. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to understand UCP 600 in a way that's simple, clear, and useful. Whether you're a student, a banker, a trader, or someone working in the trade finance industry. What is UCP 600? UCP 600 stands for Uniform Customs and Practice for Documentary Credits. It is a set of internationally recognized rules published by the International Chamber of Commerce, ICC. These rules are used to govern letters of credit in international trade. The current version, UCP 600, was published in 2007, and it replaced the older version, UCP 500. Think of UCP 600 as the rule book for how banks and businesses should handle letters of credit. Purpose of UCP 600. The main purposes of UCP 600 are 1. To standardize LC practices across the world. It helps ensure that everyone follows the same rules, whether in Asia, Europe, Africa, or the Americas. 2. To reduce misunderstandings and disputes. In international trade, people speak different languages and follow different laws. UCP 600 creates a common ground. 3. To guide banks and parties involved in letters of credit. It explains what documents are required, how they should be checked, and when payment should be made. 4. To save time and avoid delays. With clear rules, banks don't waste time arguing about small details. Where and how is UCP 600 used? Whenever a letter of credit is issued for an international trade transaction, it usually mentions that it is subject to UCP 600. Here's how it works step by step. 1. An importer, buyer, requests his bank, the issuing bank, to issue a letter of credit in favor of the exporter, seller. 2. The bank issues the LC subject to UCP 600. 3. The exporter ships the goods and presents documents like invoice, packing list, bill of lading, etc. to the bank. 4. The bank checks the documents based on the rules of UCP 600. 5. If everything matches, payment is made to the exporter. If not, the bank raises a discrepancy. What is a discrepancy in trade documents? 12. A discrepancy means a mistake, difference, or mismatch found in trade documents, like invoice, bill of lading, letter of credit, etc. When compared to each other, or to the terms and conditions of the letter of credit, LC. What's inside UCP 600? UCP 600 has 39 articles. These articles cover definitions and key terms. For example, what is a complying presentation or negotiating bank? Responsibilities of each party, buyer, seller, banks. Timeframes. For example, how many days banks have to examine documents. What happens if documents don't match? How to treat originals versus copies. Rules for partial shipments, transshipments, etc. Simple summary. UCP 600 equals a global rulebook for letters of credit, created by ICC to make trade safe, smooth, and standardized. Followed by banks, exporters, importers in more than 175 plus countries. Helps ensure secure payment and document handling in international trade. Every trade finance professional must understand it well.